Good evening, you're here with Means Bayport Yachts. You're looking at a beautiful 2006 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. Got the electric windlass up front, remote control spotlight, galvanized anchor, bow pad here on the bow. Canvas was replaced in early 2020. This boat shines, folks. The white Gelcoat is shiny, the blue Gelcoat is shiny. She just came out of Newport Harbor shipyard where she received her new bottom paint. That was late August 2020. Back here in the back there is an electric davit. It's a Riskelly Olsen ST275. There is a Walker Bay hard bottom inflatable that will be mounted on it. The Johnson 15 horsepower 4-stroke. Radar, GPS, TV antenna, upgraded horns. This boat is not like any other 340 Sea Ray Sundancer on the market anywhere in the United States. She has a bow thruster, a stern thruster, Flexiteek here on the aft deck and the swim step, twin 496 big block MerCruisers. The seating is in fantastic shape. As I say, the canvas was replaced earlier this year. Big, wide open, spacious cockpit for you and your friends. Harbor cruises, Catalina getaways. This boat is definitely San Diego to Santa Barbara, Catalina in between. Got a Raymarine E80 GPS, probably has a fish finder. You've got Smartcraft there in the center. Customer put a brand new VHF antenna today and radio Garmin. Got remote control for the stereo. Here is the control for the bow and stern thruster. There are about 365 engine hours on this boat. Isinglass is clear. Port side seat over there for passengers. Double helm seat here with stand-up bolsters. As I say, look at the vinyl, it's like new. C-shaped settee back there, electric engine hatch. I believe we even have, another little refrigerator here in the cockpit, a Norcold. Let's take a look down inside. Wow. Great big island berth, TV, microwave coffee maker, really large galley, cooktop there under the countertop. He's got dehumidifiers in here. It's the cherry interior from Sea Ray. Hanging lockers both sides. Hey everybody. Lots of storage. Another TV back there. Really nice dinette. Carpets are in great shape. I believe the owner said she has the carpet runners. Here's that little mid cabin that everybody loves about the Sea Rays. Give us a call at Bayport Yachts, 949-631. We are Sea Ray experts. 949-631-0228. Vacuum flush head, Flexiteek in here as well. The bathroom smells great. No odors in this boat. Give us a ring. Thanks for listening. Means Bayport Yachts.